Welcome to the step-by-step assembly guide for the CIRGO CRUISE electric bike. In this video, we will walk you through the process of assembling your bike for optimal performance and safety. Let's get started. Step 1. Remove your CIRGO CRUISE from the box and place it on a flat ground or a suitable workspace. Using a 4mm squared hex key, unscrew the 4 handlebar clamp fasteners. Align the handlebar according to the leveling guide on the stem and securely tighten the handlebar with the clamps. Adjust the front light to an upright position and use a 4mm squared hex key to install the front mudguard with the M16mm squared fastener. Connect the light cable to the front light. Remove the adjusting nuts and skewer spring from the quick release. Attach the front wheel to the fork, aligning the disc brake with the brake caliper. Firmly install the quick release on the front wheel, and then reattach the adjusting nuts and skewer spring. Continue tightening the adjusting nut until you feel resistance from the lever. Grip the front fork with your fingers and use the palm of your hand to apply force to the quick release lever. Install the left pedal by turning it counterclockwise manually and right pedal by turning it clockwise. Make sure to match the pedals marked with R for right and L for left. Place the kickstand at the inner side of frame. Use a 5mm squared hex key to attach the M6 17mm squared bolts to the kickstand holder. Loosen the adjusting nut and open the quick release to adjust the saddle height. Once reached a comfortable height, securely close the quick release. Attach the CB15 battery to the battery holder by sliding down. Turn on the button on right side and lock the battery with the key. To adjust the handlebar, firmly hold the front wheel between your legs. Align the handlebar using your hands, and then use a 4mm squared hex key to securely tighten the 2 bolts on the stem. Turn on the cruise by pressing the M button on display and enjoy your ride.